I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to your YouTube channel, an excellent platform for learning. This is where your request meets our solutions. Keep posting and keep learning. In this video, we are going to understand the divisibility rule by 4. A very interesting question is here for you. Find all possible values of missing digit for the number to be divisible by 4. We have two parts. A 56A2, you to find the value of A, and then B is 979B. Find the value of B so that the number becomes a multiple of 4. Perfect. So, what is the divisibility rule by 4? This rule is that the last two digits, ones and tens place, that number found by the last two digits should be multiple of 4, right? Or you could evenly divide that by 4. That's the rule. So let's look into it. Let's begin with part A, which is 5, 6A2. So we want the last two digits to be multiple of 4. So in 4's, what do we have? Where one's place is 2. Well, we know 4 times 3 is 12, right? So that is one option. And 4 times 8 is 32. Correct. So it could be 3 and 8, right? To give us two options for A. So A could be equal to either 1 or it could be 3. And therefore, the numbers are 5612 or 5632. Makes sense, correct? So that is how we'll get a new number which could be a multiple of 4. Perfect. Now let's look into part B, where the number given to us is 979B. So once again, we are now looking for the last two digits to be multiple of 4. Now in this case, we have 9 something, right? So what could those numbers be? Well, 90, as you know, will not work. B has to be an even number. So 92 can work. And then 94 will not work. 96 can work, right? And 98 will not work. So these are the only two options. Perfect. And therefore, we have two solutions to this. One is 9792 and the other one is 9796. So B can be equal to 2 or 6. As an added exercise, what you should do is you should try dividing these numbers by 4 to confirm that we have the right answer. Perfect. So I hope that makes sense. Feel free to write your comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your valuable time and all the best.